Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Baru Lubis. I'm from Group 1, The Avengers. Today, we want to presentation our assessment about curriculum in Indonesia. How many curriculum have been implemented in Indonesia? And what are the advantage and disadvantage of the curriculum? First, before we started, what is curriculum? So, curriculum is a learning plan that includes objectives, materials, methods, and assessments used in the educational process according to Law Number 20 of 2003. The curriculum function as a generally in organizing, teaching, and learning activities.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Regita Chayandamanik. Okay, here I will to explain about curriculum objective, developing student potential optimally, forming national character and value, equipping student with knowledge, skills, and attitude for real life, and preparing student to able to complete global. And then function and component of the curriculum, learning guidelines for teacher, instilling national values and culture, adapting educational to correct developments, and the first learning objective, the second subject matter, the third learning method, the fourth assessment of learning outdoor, and five time and learning resources. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sarah Khalidia. I'll read the next page analysis. Then here is the analysis of 11 curriculum from 1947 to 2022. And next, advantage and disadvantage of each curriculum. Curriculum 1947 to 1984 advantages. Emphasis character building, discipline, and nationalism, which are important in the post-independence era. Disadvantage: to focus on theory, one-way approach teacher can carry, and not yet responsive to the needs of students in various regions. Second, curriculum 1994 advantage: begin to build balance theory and practice in learning. Disadvantage: to dense students learning burden in heavy, and there is overlapping material between subjects.
Okay, I'm Nova Bintang Krasnasution. We'll continue the next part. 3 Curriculum 2004 or KBK and 2006 or KTSP. Advantage: emphasizes students' basic competencies and gives schools the freedom to adjust materials to local needs. Disadvantage: not all schools are ready to independently develop a curriculum due to limited human resource and teacher training. An example of teaching: the Indonesian language teacher gives an assessment to write a poem with a local culture theme. And characteristic: contextual learning, students are free to be creative according to their cultural background, and the teacher acts as a guide. Fourth, curriculum 2013 advantage: expansive, active learning and integration between attitudes, knowledge, and skills. Disadvantage: teachers are burdened with administration and training is not evenly distributed. And teaching example: in science lessons, students conduct plan growth experiments and compile report on their results. Characteristic: experiment-based learning, group work, and the role of the teacher as facilitator. Okay, next will continue to be my friend.
I'm Dharam Jemaini. Here I will continue the explanation from Nova. Okay, number 5, independent curriculum advantage. very flexible, adapt to student interest and talent, and is project-based. Disadvantage: many schools are not ready in terms of facility or human resources. Teaching example: students choose their own topic in the theme. Local wisdom, such as making documentary videos of traditional food and presenting them. Characteristic: independent learning, creative project, assessment visit or process and result.
The conclusion is curriculum change in Indonesia reflects ongoing effort to create education that is relevant to the time. Each curriculum has its advantage and disadvantage, but all have noble goal to form a generation that is intelligent, has character, and is ready to face the challenge of the real world. As a perspective, as a teacher, we are not only implement of the curriculum but also determine its success in a field. A good curriculum will be meaningless without teachers who are creative, reflective, and care about the development of students. So, let's prepare ourselves not only to teach but to inspire, guide, and become agent of the change in the world education. Because in the truth, the future of a nation begins with the hands of education who dare